Hello, everybody. It's Dan Farah, www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Today we have a very special interview. On the speakerphone, I've got a guy named Danny, and he's going to introduce himself, but he's done some phase 1 healthy volunteer studies, and he'll be able to tell us a little more about it. So, Danny, first of all, you've got a great name. And all right, now why don't you just tell us a little bit about yourself and about clinical trials?
I'm Danny. I've been participating in clinical trials for about 2 years now, and I've done more than a dozen from the southern central Texas region. There's several clinics in the area set in the center of Austin, and I'm in PPD Austin right now.
Okay, so you're doing a trial with PPD.
Yes.
And you're actually...
larger volume ones are on here.
Oh, okay. Are you actually inside the unit right now?
Yes, that's inside what they call the beach. There are 3 wings called the hospital / beach. They're not in the city. And I'm inside the hospital beach unit, and that's what we do there. Studies that involve telemetry monitoring, which I was part of that. It was for IV administration of a what do you call it? Antibiotics type skin infection. Yeah, so I'm there now.
Wow. So how many days have you been in there?
I've been here since Sunday, and it's Friday, so yeah, 5.
And how many more days do you have left?
I'll be in there till Tuesday.
Till Tuesday. So about 7 days, or well, what is that? 10 days? 10 days.
Yeah, 9 nights, yeah.
Oh, okay, 9 days. And do you know? Do you mind telling us how much they're paying you?
Approximately $2,500.
$2,500. Okay. So how have your experiences been so far?
Well, it's been really positive. I've done, like I said, more than a few, and the only real adverse effect I've had is just something that contained niacin. I got the niacin flush that everybody gets. It's something you use to control cholesterol. It's just to get weed out of your system, and your skin red. Like sunburn for about an hour. And I've had enough of the drug, and I told this study was a harsher one compared to most of them. Because an IV infusion, like I said, we had that. We were wearing that for 36 hours over the at a time. We were pretty much continuously over the course of the first 4 days, and that created some discomfort, but nothing, horrible.
So you haven't had any okay. So you haven't had any serious adverse events, just some mild discomfort.
Pretty much, yes.
Oh, okay.
I've seen some people get sick that I've never personally.
Okay. Is this your first study that you're doing?
No, I've done over a dozen. I haven't really kept track too well, but I'm here in the Cedra, the Conan, something called Icon, Sotero, CTT, Texas. I've done a few.
Oh, okay, okay. So now because a lot of people out there they've never done studies. They're just curious. What motivates someone like you? A young guy. You seem really intelligent. What motivates someone like you to do a study? Is it like a small subculture of the population that does this, or do you see this as a growing trend amongst young people?
I wouldn't really say it's growing too much. Yeah, I wouldn't really say it's too smart people. It's really a diverse group, but you're seeing more and more regulars. It started pretty early. I started when I was still 18, a senior in high school, and I just saw an advertisement for Cedra, which is one of the lower quality ones. It said, on TV, making $3,000 over the course of so many weekends. So I was like, oh, that sounds interesting. And so I did that, and it paid a lot better than all my friends at the time that I worked at service industry jobs and so forth. And that's what got started. And I went to a little bit different, tried a full career path out for a couple years. That didn't pan out. So I came back to this because it's what I had been doing, and it's what I continue to do. And I like that it gives me flexibility to like, if you get a job, even if that's better than you have to be at your job. And that's license to keep you fired, so it's really not that secure. But it's more stable. But I like being able to just decide when I want to be in a study, and then building a calendar, somebody, and then not being tied to any particular area for too long.
Okay. Now, someone like you, would you rank the payment as the motivating factor, or a little bit of giving back, or just like a combination of the two?
I would say mostly payment and then flexibility, and then that it's also safe, doesn't hurt, and then that you get to meet people, social networking event.
Yeah, and I heard that a lot of I heard that a lot because I've interviewed other people who've done healthy volunteer studies. I've heard that a lot of them keep seeing each other over and over in different places, and then some people do like these what are those things, like those network marketing type of companies, and then they sign people up. Have you seen a lot of that going on?
Not so much of a network company, but it is a fairly small community. You see the same faces often. I don't seem too many people really try to take advantage of it in a business sort of way.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, because I've interviewed a few who have. We got like maybe 3 more minutes left, Danny. Thank you for doing this. Um, what now? You've said about 12 studies before.
Somewhere around there.
Okay. What was your worst, I guess, reaction or side effect throughout any of your 12 studies?
And then, of course, the only one I've got that I can attribute to the drug, um, I got a staph infection a few days after I took Caesar one time. I don't think it had anything to do with the drug. I think it had more to do with sanitary conditions with the clinic.
Oh, the sanitary concerns with the so the staph infection probably from the sanitary
Lack thereof, yeah.
lack thereof of the clinic.
Yeah.
Now, what was the first one you mentioned?
Niacin flush.
Oh, niacin flush. Okay.
Yeah. Like I mentioned earlier.
So what? So what happens during that?
For like a sunburn, I'm not sure what the mechanism is. I don't have a strong, medical or knowledge background, but it's kind of sunburn. You get warm for about an hour, your skin turns red, and then it goes away. And it's like almost 100% you gotta take medicine and get it. That's it. Pretty much over the counter for
Okay.
we're taking some high niacin and maybe those directions that close for control.
Okay. So nothing permanent,
Yeah, nothing permanent, nothing really bad.
and nothing that would prevent you from doing a study again.
Oh, certainly not.
Okay. Well, Danny, we certainly appreciate this. We got a lot of viewers out there who are curious about this kind of stuff, and it's actually very rare that I interview someone who's actually doing a study while I'm talking to him. So,
Yeah.
what's next on the agenda for today? Do you have any study procedures coming up today?
Well, 6:12 now. I have one draw at 4:30. I'm going to go to dinner, and then I'm going to work on fall for this evening. The study's pretty much downhill now. We're just like a washout period. But I'm still observing it because we've been through a few hard days, and that is to put everything up there.
So you've been through a few tough days. Now it's kind of downhill. Danny, I wish you nothing but luck in your finishing up these next couple of days, and we'll keep in touch through Facebook. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Danny. Once again, everybody, it's Dan Sfera, www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thanks a lot.